Hello and welcome to my vlog on motorcycle safety and precautions for beginners. Riding a motorcycle can be a thrilling and enjoyable experience, but it's important to take the necessary safety measures to ensure that you're protected while on the road. Whether you're a seasoned rider or just starting out, these tips can help keep you safe. First and foremost, always wear a helmet. A helmet is the most important piece of safety equipment you can wear while riding a motorcycle. It protects your head in case of a crash and can greatly reduce the risk of serious injury or death. Make sure your helmet is DOT-approved and fits properly. It should be snug but not too tight, and it should cover your forehead, cheeks, and chin. Next, wear appropriate clothing. Long pants and a jacket made of thick, abrasion-resistant material can help protect your skin in the event of a crash. Boots that cover your ankles are also important, as they provide support and protection for your feet and ankles. Before you ride, check your motorcycle. Make sure your tires are properly inflated and have enough tread. Check your brakes, lights, and signals to ensure they are working properly. It's also important to make sure your motorcycle is properly maintained and serviced regularly. When riding, always be aware of your surroundings. Keep an eye out for other vehicles, pedestrians, and road hazards. Stay in your lane and avoid weaving in and out of traffic. Use your signals when changing lanes or turning, and always check your blind spots before making any maneuvers. Lastly, take a motorcycle safety course. These courses are designed to teach riders how to handle their motorcycles in different situations and can help you become a safer and more confident rider. They also cover topics like defensive riding, proper braking techniques, and how to avoid common hazards on the road. In conclusion, riding a motorcycle can be a fun and rewarding experience, but it's important to take safety seriously. Always wear a helmet and appropriate clothing, check your motorcycle before riding, be aware of your surroundings, and consider taking a motorcycle safety course. By following these precautions, you can help ensure that your motorcycle rides are safe and enjoyable. Thanks for watching. Please like and share.